Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an S major scale. We'll start by understanding what a major scale is and why it sounds so bright and uplifting. Then, I'll guide you through the universal pattern that applies to every single major scale, no matter what note you begin on. This easy-to-follow method will empower you to build any major scale with confidence, including your very own S major. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets of musical harmony together. Every major scale adheres to a consistent pattern of whole steps and half steps. Think of a whole step as moving up 2 frets on a guitar or 2 keys on a piano, skipping one in between. A half step is just 1 fret or 1 key, moving directly to the next. The formula is simple: whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. This sequence of 7 intervals, starting from your root note, will always produce a perfect major scale. It's a foundational concept in music theory. Now, let's apply this formula to build your S major scale. First, pick your starting note, which we'll call S. From S, move up a whole step to find your second note. Then, another whole step for the third. Next, a half step for the fourth. Continue with 3 more whole steps, and finally, a half step to return to S an octave higher. This systematic approach ensures you correctly identify all 7 distinct notes that comprise your S major scale, creating that familiar, joyful sound. To truly master your S major scale, consistent practice is key. Play the scale slowly, both ascending and descending, paying close attention to each note's sound and its relationship to the root. Try to sing the notes as you play them to develop your ear. Once comfortable, experiment by creating short melodies using only the notes from your S major scale. This will solidify your understanding and help you internalize the sound, making you a more confident and capable musician. Keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.